Pynbor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umentri badai pet ya katanat social welfare oba polling do habakran bat kinong thok kubor halor kajing yakhi bat ka AIM henen kasngi persya ayaw Aadhaar uloong bakidon ki kat tukat ni kitanat jong ka Sorkar Pdeng ki Bthah baki pat ba ki de banle ayaw Aadhaar banyo ya kajing mentoy na katanat jong ki uloong ru bakajing pentre kam yaw Aadhaar kalong na kabenta ki jing mentoy baki pat ba ki yo balada om pendan kam kumnungin la banyo jingkhen ya ki bayo jing mentoy Uba pol uloong ru baka jilla Meghalaya kade ka jilla ka badang duna bha ki ba penrung yala di hak Aadhaar Henry ki wei ki jilla hak lengkari kila dep nadu kisnem baladep uba pol ula bo jing keliru hakanu kanong rem ban persya ya ka jing penrung Aadhaar uloong ba om shum ladan manu ru ban Pynbor ban le yaw Aadhaar Kitu ki bam shum tre ban le yaw Aadhaar kimla bandan ya ka hok ban apply ya kinu ki scheme jong ka Sorkar baro ka syong hakipat ba
There are strict guidelines by various ministries in the government of India that Aadhaar registration has to be compulsory because it is only then that various government interventions and programs can be properly assessed in terms of the success rate, in terms of performance of each of those interventions. Now, without having a database, how would we know how many are the beneficiaries? Two, let us also realize that this is purely a central subject, and it would help us to create that database with the details of each of the card holders. Also, Meghalaya is one of the few states that have not completed the process of Aadhaar registration. The rest of India has done it years ago. And what is the valid ground to oppose? Nobody is forced to go for Aadhaar registration, but then that also means that whoever doesn't go for the registration is not entitled to a few schemes of the government. So the choice is in the applicants. But we have been saying that there are no grounds, no logical and sensible ground for you to oppose. It's like you opposed having a PAN card, you oppose having a driving license. You can't oppose everything under the sun. There has to be valid grounds.